Hi friends, welcome to Day 40 Daily Current Affairs. Today first news is Center still open to talks with farmers, says Modi. MSV will continue to be enforced, PM tells Rajya Sabha. Protest is your right, but I want to request you that you should ask the elderly farmers to go home. We should not lose this time. Do not take the country backwards. You should give these reforms an opportunity and see if they benefit you. If there is a lacuna, we will fix it. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday said his government was still open to talks with farmers demanding a repeal of three farm laws passed last September. He said the minimum support price for crops was his and would remain in force. Mr. Modi added that calling the Sikh community names was not doing any good to the country. Replying to the debate on the motion of thanks to the President address in Rajya Sabha, the Prime Minister claimed that a proper response had been given by India to the situation along the line of actual control. PM coined two new terms in the Rajya Sabha yesterday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday coined two terms, Andolan GV, professional protesters, and foreign destructive ideology to lampoon foreign individuals who are tweeted in support of the farmers' protest, like Rihanna and Greta Thunberg tweeted in the support of the protest of farmers. For them, he mentioned these statements. Empty talk, says farmers. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's speech in Parliament on Monday was full of insults and empty talk. Leaders of farm unions said the leaders added that if the government was serious about resuming talks on the laws, then it should take steps to do so. Okay, next. Loaded with turmeric. First Kisan Rail chucks off from Telangana. It is heading to Barasat station in West Bengal. Sackfuls of turmeric being loaded on the Kisan Rail at Warangal station. South Central Railway has started the first Kisan Rail from Telangana transporting turmeric from Warangal station to Barasat station of Siladar division to assist the farm sector in marketing their agriculture produce for better realization. In some Telangana state exams, you can expect this question that first Kisan Rail started with which product or from where it was started. You can expect it is started from Warangal and with a turmeric load to Barasat, West Bengal. Barasat, West Bengal. Okay, thank you. Modi sees Andolan GV and a new kind of FDI, foreign destructive ideology. This is not foreign direct investment, this is foreign destructive ideology. He says a new breed of protesters found at every agitation. Our democracy is not a Western institution, it is a human institution. India's nationalism should be protected from multiple attacks. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday called two terms Andolan GV, professional protesters, and foreign destructive ideology to lampoon the opposition and certain protesters and foreign individuals who have tweeted in support of farmer agitation. While replying to the motion of thanks on the President's address in the Rajya Sabha, Mr. Modi said that India was not merely the world's largest democracy, it was the mother of democracy. A new kind of FDI had emerged in the country and it was foreign destructive ideology. We need to be more aware to save the country from such an ideology. Okay. Next, Modi Biden hold talks over phone. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday spoke to US President Joe Biden. It was the first conversation between the two leaders since Mr. Biden took office on Jan 20. We discussed regional issues and our shared priorities. We also agreed to further our cooperation against climate change. President Biden and I are committed to a rules-based international order. We look forward to consolidating our strategic partnership to further peace and security in the Indo-Pacific region and beyond, Mr. Modi said. Next, new labor codes to allow 4-day work week. Draft rules being finalized, says official. The new labor code set to be implemented soon would provide companies the flexibility of reducing the number of working days to 4 days a week and provide free medical checkups to workers through an employee state insurance corporation, Labour and Employment Secretary Apurva Chandra said on Monday. Okay. Next, VK Singh statement on LSE unwitting confession China. This statement was given by VK Singh on the Sunday, I think. Yesterday it was in the news. So the return reply from China is that, so China is saying that the reasons for the tensions at borders are India, which came from the statement from the VK Singh itself. China Foreign Ministry on Monday said Union Ministry of State for Road Transport and Highways and former Army Chief GK General VK Singh retired had made an unwitting confession by saying India had transgressed the line of actual control on more occasions from China had. So it is saying that already India tried to cross the demarcation limit, so the tensions arise due to that from the China Foreign Ministry. Okay. US to rejoin UN Human Rights Forum. The US announced plans on Monday to re-engage with much maligned UN Human Rights Council that former President Donald Trump withdrew from almost 3 years ago, as President Joe Biden's administration reverses another Trump era move away from multilateral organizations and agreements. Okay. Sri Lanka clears Chinese energy project 50 kilometers off Tamil Nadu. The site's proximity to the Indian coastline can be cause for concern. Sri Lanka's recent decision to pull out the East Container Terminal deal with India and Japan is not only a challenge to New India's interests emerging this year, a week before reneging on the 2019 Colombo Port Terminal Agreement. Sri Lanka cleared a Chinese energy project in three islands of Japina Peninsula that are nearly 50 kilometers from Tamil Nadu coast. These are the current affairs and daily news for today. We will meet again in tomorrow daily news and current affairs. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment, subscribe, share and